Hey everyone, and welcome to our top 5 online business ideas for 2023. With the rise of the internet, there are now more opportunities than ever to start a successful online business. In this video, we'll be sharing with you the top 5 online business ideas that we think have the most potential for growth and success in the coming year. First up on our list is e-commerce. E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services online, and it's one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Whether you're selling your own products or dropshipping from a supplier, there are endless opportunities to find success in e-commerce. Next on our list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service on your website or social media, and you earn a commission for every sale that you make. This is a great way to monetize your online presence and can be done in a variety of niches. Our third business idea is content creation. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, there has never been a better time to start creating and sharing your own content online. Whether you're a writer, musician, or artist, there are endless opportunities to share your talents with the world and monetize your content. Fourth on our list is online tutoring or teaching. With the shift to online learning, there is now a high demand for skilled teachers and tutors to offer their services online. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider starting an online tutoring or teaching business to share your knowledge with others. Finally, our last business idea is digital marketing. Digital marketing is the practice of promoting products and services online through a variety of channels, including social media, email, and search engines. If you have a background in marketing or are skilled in areas like SEO, PPC, and social media marketing, starting a digital marketing business could be a great opportunity for you. So there you have it, our top 5 online business ideas for 2023. We hope this video gave you some inspiration and ideas for starting your own online business. Thanks for watching.